Good morning. It is Wednesday, March 6th, and I'm doing this early because I will be on with the paid newsletter subscribers at 9 a.m. on a Zoom. Super interactive, super fun. We're going to trade something live. I don't exactly know what that is. Hopefully we'll figure out. Hopefully we'll make some money. I am not a super great day trader, but you know what's up? Palantir. Palantir's up 6%. Wow. In the core portfolio, things are looking really green after yesterday's horrible cycle. Even Palo Alto, CrowdStrike CEO, just so you know, threw some major shade yesterday on the Palo Alto, or the CrowdStrike CEO threw major shade on the Palo Alto folks. Roblox still under 40. It's up 1.3%, but you're at 39.39. Hopefully you got Uber under 80 because, well, it's at $79.10 now, so you can still get it under 80. Walmart is over 60. UNH 473. We're talking. Do not get in UNH. Apple is up slightly, 171. Amazon, it's under 180. You can just grab Amazon. That's fine. Costco, their earnings are coming up. We'll talk all about that. Here's the cues. We broke down from this channel. So this channel from the October, even though you had 3 buys in the algorithm, you're still in this one. You're still in 438. You're trading at 439. So you're still in that one. Hasn't moved a bunch. Let's get rid of all of these annotations. I'm going to get rid of this one. Remove this channel annotation. And we're going to get rid of this, remove this text. Because you can see the chart, it's choppy. It's been choppy all the way since January. You see that rollover, but you see it continue up. You see higher highs and higher lows. Here, you're seeing a bit of a pullback. That's what we saw yesterday, a bit of a pullback. What's happening today? People are stepping up and buying. CrowdStrike blew away earnings. If you were on live with me last night, I tried to order CrowdStrike. I couldn't get it. It was up like 18%. But yeah, the Qs, you're fine. Your MACD's crossing over. Your RSI quickly came down to 49. In pre-market, you're up 0.83%. TrendSpider. Yesterday's afternoon, in the newsletter, I said yesterday's newsletter, how to use this newsletter to trade stocks. It's a complete guide on how to use the newsletter to trade stocks. I go over the previous day's newsletter and I say, okay, this is what you're going to do. This is the section you're going to look at. Here's what I see in these things. Here's where I would go to look at a chart, blah, blah, blah. That's the one you want to. I even included embedded in there a video, so you don't have to go to Spotify. You don't have to go to YouTube. You can go wherever you want to watch it. Apple Podcast is not a video, so you're going to need to listen to that one. But the cues, in my mind, I think we're rolling over. I think we're still going. We're still in that upward trend. Do not deny an upward trend until it tells you to get out. And right now, my algorithm's telling you to get out. We use this 50-day right as support. That's where CrowdStrike was yesterday. So what do we have today? NASDAQ and S&P Dow futures rise ahead of Powell testimony. But here's what to expect when Powell testifies. I'll include this article as well. Get ready for it. The backdrop, the Fed has paused its aggressive hiking cycle. Lawmakers may still push Powell for a detailed plan. They're going to push him to say, hey, when are you dropping rates? We've got a national debt that higher rates cost us $30 trillion a year and for 10 years in interest payments, blah, blah, blah. So they're going to push him. You're going to see a bunch. Here's another article that I'll include. Wells Fargo core list of industry leaders to withstand the test of time. It's a great list. Public storage, automatic data processing, Oracle, podcast favorite, Oracle. I think Oracle's a great one. MasterCard, Lowe's, Accenture, Parker Hannifin. This is just a great list. Broadcom, AVGO. They report earnings on Thursday. Great stock. I think you can play that one. In the core portfolio, the reason Palantir is up is because they got a $178 million Titan contract. I believe this is the third largest contract that they have. And so this one is boosting Palantir big. Palantir is up 6% in pre-market. Let's see. Let's look at it right now. Palantir up 7.9% at 25. You can see. Okay, we got dogs. Stop. We got dogs. But you got this one. I don't know why this one's, are we coming back down? I said if it holds 1980, I think that's the new support level. I think 20 is the new support level. The chart doesn't look great, but you're at 25. I think 30 is the next round for this one. So Palantir, great article on that one. Abercrombie and Finch, ANF, they reported 16% pop in comparable sales for the holiday quarter. ANF, I mean, this one has just been a monster. The algorithm makes you 363% over 24 months. That is only beaten by buy and hold, which makes you 410%. Understand the algorithm may not make you as much money as buy and hold. You always want to outperform buy and hold. But what the algorithm does is provide you a good guide. Remember, it plays in that middle ground. It uses the MACD, it uses RSI, it uses all of the moving averages that I have. If you want access to the algorithm, it's part of TrendSpider. Basically, you go to my link tree right here, sign up at the top one with TrendSpider. You go there, you sign up. It's $74 a month. When you sign up for 12 months, $892. If that seems like a lot, then the second round would be good for you. The second option, which is Seeking Alpha Premium, and you get 50% off. If we go and we look at ANF right here, you can see it's a good quant buy. It's strong buy. Wall Street buy. Seeking Alpha analysts say hold. The valuation is what's causing it to be a hold. 1 year, it's up 404%. You can see, this was trading in August of 2023 at $50. It's at $139 right now. The average price target is $122. It's at $139. In pre-market, it's at $136. So you're down just about 2% in the pre-market. The low is 81. The high is 149. So you haven't reached the high point. It's ranked number 1 in the industry. Again, all of this information comes with Seeking Alpha Premium. So you can take a look at all of these stocks. But you can read the article on Abercrombie and Finch. It's a great one. Bitcoin went nuts. Pulled back to 59,000. Then it shot back up to 69,000. So right now, Bitcoin is, let's pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $65,000. You're down 3%. It's gone on a wild ride. We can look at a 1-month chart here on Seeking Alpha. You can trade Bitcoin on Seeking Alpha. All of the analysts, they'll tell you what they think about Bitcoin. They'll tell you what they think about all the coins. Again, this is Seeking Alpha Premium. It's a great option. But that's it. Thursday's earnings. AVGO, which is Broadcom. This is a company that I like. This is one that I think it'll blow it out of the water. This is chips. We talked about AI and we talked about GLP-1. That's it. Broadcom, great one. Algorithm has you in at 1308. You're at 1342. If we go over here to Seeking Alpha and we look at AVGO, we'll see it is a strong buy or is it a buy? It's a hold in the quant, and it's the valuation that's causing that. The valuation is it's high. Look, the PE, 31, sector median, 22, forward PE, 28, sector median, 24. So the valuation is F, growth is a B, profitability is an A+. These guys make money. The average target price, $12.58. Well, you're trading at $13.42, so you're going to pay up for it. I would trade this one the way I was going to trade CrowdStrike, which is hop on at 345, see how the chart is moving. If the chart's moving up, then you can take a chance and buy it, because here's the thing about AVGO and specifically Broadcom. You've got a 52-week range of between 601 and 1438. That means you have more upside in this. If it hit 1438 at one time, it will hit 1438 again. So understand yesterday was very, very weak. You closed at the lower end of this. I think you're going to see a good report from Broadcom. A core stock portfolio, Costco, reports after the bell. This one has just been a nonstop winner. I don't know what else to say about this one. The algorithm makes you 40%. Buying and holding makes you 44%. So the algorithm doesn't do much better, but it provides you that middle ground and it provides you safety. If we go over to Seeking Alpha and we look at Costco, I think it's the valuation that's going to get an F. You're paying up for a lot of these. Quant has it as a hold. Growth B, Profitability A+, momentum A. It's ranked number 5. Let's see what the Wall Street say about it. 709 is the price target. That's going to move up. The low is 480. The high is 825. That's going to move up with today's earnings. You can't tell me that Walmart blew it out of the water. Target blew it out of the water. That Costco isn't going to blow it out of the water. The valuation is going to need. They could announce a member price increase. So that could be a really good one. Marvell. Talk about chips. Marvell. Here, Marvell Technologies. They report after the bell. This one, solid. 69. You're in at 69 if you have the algorithm. You're at 78 right now. MACD's a little high. RSI, super high. If we go over here and we look at Marvell, stop. Dog's crying. She just wants to go under the blanket. That's it. But if we go over here and we look at this, buy from Wall Street, Quant has it as a hold. Valuation is an F. You're paying up for the good companies. We talk about good companies with good earnings and good products and good management. You're paying up for this. You're up 4% over its average price target is 75. You're at 78. But if we go and we look at the summary, the 52-week range, you got 80 in this. So if they blow away the earnings, you could hit 80 on that one. No problem. MongoDB is another one that's reporting. This one, it's a hold. It's a database program. It's a D-. I mean, it's ranked number 7 out of 24. This could be an opportunity. Growth A+. Again, the valuation, you're paying for this. It's ranked number 7. If we look at the Wall Street buy, it's trading at 405 right now. The average price target is 470. So this one may have some upside in it. Again, if they blow it out of the water. You can see what far it's gone down from its price target. This might be an opportunity for you. I might look at this one. DOCU. This is DocuSign. I own this one. Horrible play on this one. Right now it's a hold Wall Street. Quant has it as a strong buy. We can look at the Wall Street, 16%. The average price target is 60. The valuation, I can't believe it's a C-. How is this a C-? Well, I guess the DocuSign, yeah. Its PE is only 17. So ranked number 15 out of 192. So Docu reports, those are your reports. I will go over the social requests later. There's Powell, P-O-W-L, and Hershey that I have to go over. Scans I will include in the newsletter. I am getting off here. I'm going to post this, but that is the podcast today. I may be on later today. I might do a second one, but I am getting ready for the 9 a.m. With the Zoom with the paid members. So if you listened, thank you. I think that gets you ready for the day. So I posted it so that you have something, and I'll post the newsletter too. Okay,
every
take care,
morning
bye.
I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears. Tune in daily, don't miss a single show. Sign up for the newsletter, let us help you grow. Taking risks, making moves, seeking success. Together we'll conquer, no room for any less. Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears.